Big day for Baby D. So I read all the comments and I enjoy them, and I had piles of them telling me that I am not a very smart man if I try to use the stock manual transmission that came behind the V6 of Baby D, because we're stepping up to a big old Hemi and they're like, it ain't gonna make it. So I reached out to the folks at Silver Sport Transmission. What you see sitting here, it is a manual shift, 6-speed Silver Sport Magnum Tremec transmission. And there it is. Tremec is going to be in this thing thanks to Silver Sport. Super strong, double overdrive. Customer service was incredible. I call up there. I had no clue what I was looking for, how I wanted to do it, and they took care of me. Told me what I need to do, asked me who all I work with, and that would be QuickTime, my buddy Paul Lee at McLeod Clutches, 6-speed Magnum Silver Sport. Cannot wait. Not only do I get to stomp on the loud pedal, I get to stomp on the loud pedal, rev it to the moon, and dump the clutch. Baby D has a big day. Cannot wait to open all this stuff up and check it out. I am excited about what's happening. Silver Sport, QuickTime McLeod. This thing's going to be awesome. So I'm like a kid at Christmas, peeling packages open. Oh boy. Feels like some instructions. Look at that. STX shifter, Silver Sport transmission, 6-speed. This is going to be awesome, y'all. I cannot wait. Got a lot of learning to do because I do not know anything about what we're doing here, but we're going to figure it out together. Cool. Yeah. I am definitely like a kid in Christmas. Cannot wait to start looking at what all Silver Sport sent us. Freaking Magnum 6-speed. Oh, nice little shifter boot. Gonna make the interior of Baby D nice. Man, that's a nice billet. Nice billet cover to go in that thing. Nice little boot. It's gonna make me have to step up the game in the interior of the Dakota. I'm trying to not completely be like a kid and go right for the big boxes, although I have already done that with digging into the transmission box. Had to see what the old transmission looked like. Let's see what this is right quick. Oh wow. Oh, okay. We've got the transmission fluid there to go in the Silver Sport transmission. Just keep on digging here. We might as well check out what our McLeod clutch looks like. So I don't know if y'all know this or not, but we work, being we, the Top Fuel team, we work with Paul Lee a little bit. Kind of trade out some marketing items together. And so that was the easy one for me to figure out what clutch I wanted to go with after I made the decision to not use stock stuff. So McLeod has sent us a very nice looking pressure plate here. Oh, this is looking a whole lot like race car stuff, y'all. That is nice. Paul might have outdone himself here and everybody at McLeod. I was not expecting. That is like straight up race car stuff, y'all. This thing is going to be so fun. Even got clutch alignment tools with it. That is way, way over the top from what I was expecting. The McLeod RST. Man, that is That is a nice clutch. Thank you, McLeod. Golly, that's nice. So many goodies. I don't even know exactly what I got to do to get started on all this. I know that there was a nice booklet of instructions that came. We'll probably stop and kind of read them. Don't know that I'll read them front to rear, but Silver Sport will probably get more than one phone call from me. What that is. 2 boxes here. Ah, I know what this is. This is MSD points boxes for the Top Fuel car. Thank you, MSD. All that came in also while we were gone. One more big box to check out here. Also from our friends at Holly. Silver Sport had all the part numbers of everything that we needed. They got it all. But because I already work with Holly and MSD, oh yeah, nice bell housing to convert the Hemi over to the Tremec transmission. Very, very nice. The under hood of this thing is going to be way nicer than the truck is. But it's good. We know I'm going to be mean to it, and now we've got a good safe bell housing. It's even got an SFI sticker on it. Drag race legal. Golly, so many parts. So much to do, and I cannot wait to get started on it. Thanks, everybody. I have successfully made a mess in the shop, but it's quite okay because there's so many cool items that came in. All this awesome, awesome parts for BABYD. So, seeing as how I wanted to take the motor off the engine stand, I thought I would try one more test fit with all of the Holly power steering adapter, alternator, all of that stuff on the front of the engine. And also, I wanted to see if the air compressor would fit in there. This thing is full from side to side. But the folks at Holly know what they're doing. It fits with the AC compressor on there. Who knows? Maybe we'll keep the AC. It gets hot here in Tennessee, and we might take a road trip or two with this thing now that we got the old Silver Sport 6-speed double overdrive. Can probably cruise the highway pretty good. BABYD, looking good down in there. It's full. It's slam full. But I like it. Man, I gotta clean that mess up over there. Look at that. But look at that. And look at that. I am liking all of it. All right, y'all, that was just a quick video because we are in a long stretch of races. I was home for a very short amount of time, just enough time to kind of have a few hours out in the shop to check out all the cool stuff from Silver Sport and from QuickTime and Holly and MSD that came in, and hit the road again off to another race. BABYD's really looking good though. It's going to be a cool build. It is a cool build. We're getting closer and closer. Every time I come home, I do get to spend a little while out there and mess with it. When I get back, we'll start getting the bell housing on, getting that all measured up and checked out, and we'll just keep picking away at it. Again, thanks for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. And got questions, leave them down below. And when I get a chance, I'll answer those in a video while we're out there working on BABYD. Everybody, see you soon.